Okay, Big Maxx. This is a small one. I think this is a 20,000 BTU. Typical problem with these, as it appears, is blowing the fuse. There's a 3 amp fuse on the circuit board, and it keeps popping that thing. The thing will run a little bit, pop the fuse, take the cover off the side, put a new fuse in, run about a minute or two, pop the fuse. There's a lot of info on the interweb about thermostats being a problem. That is impossible. If you do listen to that, you're going to go down a rabbit hole of never getting it fixed, because the thermostat does nothing but short the 2 terminals together, or complete the circuit is what it does. You can use a jumper wire to replace the thermostat, doesn't matter. It really has nothing to do with any of this. So ignore anything to do with the thermostat. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this side cover off and show you what actually is the fix. And the fan that's in there, pay no attention to that. That's something I added, and I'll explain that here in a little bit. Okay, as you see, it is working. I've got the side cover just kind of hanging here. The fan that I was just showing you there, that was something I added. I thought, well, if I add a fan, it would keep this, whatever is going wrong in here, cooler. And that would fix the glitch. Well, that wasn't it. The real problem is that guy right there, the high limit switch. What that does is when the burner gets warm enough, it turns the blower fan on. And it fits in between a couple of the heating tubes, and it just barely fits in there. And it was actually installed in such a way that when that wafer there got warm, it was just enough to make the switch contact the burner, which the burner tube, which shorted out the whole system. So I pulled that out, bent it up about 1/4 inch, so I just get a little bit more clearance, put it together, and I have not had one problem since. And I believe this is the problem everybody's having. That's the thing, is pull out that switch. I could see that the tips of the arms that reach in there, I could tell they were hitting the tube because they had char marks on them. So just pull that thing out. There's just 2 Phillips screws. Give it a little bend up. You might want to put a little dab of silicone. You'll see where it can contact the tube. Put a little silicone on there as an insulator, and you'll be fine. I have not had one glitch since I made that fix.